Willow Nightingale's charm and spirit so alive began to soften Stokely Hathaway, making vibes. Kris Statlander with a deal to contrive. He could stand by her, but niceness must survive. How weak they sway. He had to be nice, or at least tolerate Willow's presence, change his state as tensions eased a friendship's fate. Willow insisted we'll be made feeling. By golly, she declared, friends will forever be. Stokely Hathaway with bracelets, nicknames slowly echoing in our frame. Her effervescent charm, captivating every single day. A dynamic trio they became, in harmony.